So I wasn't planning on filming today. I received a package in, and yeah, I think I got ripped off here.
The UNC Toe Air Jordan 1 releases very soon, and I'm giving away a pair. To enter this free giveaway, all you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up. Let's get 400 likes on this video. Make sure you guys subscribe right now, join the Moore family, comment down below your size, and then take a picture, take a screenshot, send me proof on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Send me proof that you guys subscribed to my YouTube channel. This giveaway ends the beginning of next month, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of UNC Toe Air Jordan 1s. And check out this t-shirt I'm wearing by Outrank Brand. In today's video, I'm wearing Outrank Brand's new collection for the Jordan 2 UNC Low. This tee also matches the UNC Toe. Outrank Brand makes t-shirts, shorts, and a bunch of clothing to match every single sneaker that releases. Click my link down below in the description and check out Outrank Brand. Use my code DannyMoore for 10% off your entire order. Okay, so I am a little not happy right now. The reason why I'm not happy, and yeah, I pretty much got ripped off in a way, I guess you can say. I'm not happy. Alright, so this was a gift upon arrival deal. For those of you that don't know, gift upon arrival basically means you send me the shoe, I get the shoe in, I legit check it, make sure it's all good, in the condition that we agree on. You know, everything, make sure everything's 100% legit. And then I go ahead and pay you Venmo, Zelle, Apple Pay, however you want to be paid. You get the full payment, no fees, and good to go. I am an influencer, so you guys know I am totally legit. There's no reason to scam anybody. This is my full-time job. Everything's on the line. I have sponsors. I sign contracts. There's no reason for any funny business with me. Well, I do gift upon arrival, and shout out to you guys for trusting me and actually, you know, doing business with you. I do appreciate you guys. So I had someone hit me up recently and offer me this pair of Jordan 1s in a size 7. Size 7, that's all they said, size 7. And for $190. Retail was what, I believe like $170. So basically retail plus tax, shipping, $190 shipped. Cool. I said yes. They said they were brand new. My backpack holds my sneakers safe and secure when I'm traveling. I also have room for my clothes, laptop, chargers, and a bunch more. You guys can click my link down below in the description and use my promo code DannyMoore at checkout on Soul Premise's website for the best sneaker bags on earth. I never received pictures. I didn't ask for pictures, which is a mistake. I'm learning more and more as I continue to do gift upon arrival deals, ask for pictures. I usually don't if the shoe's dead stock because I want to trust you guys. I want to be able to trust you. You're trusting me. Well, I want to be able to trust you as the seller who didn't get paid yet, right? You're not even getting paid yet until I get the shoe. So if anything goes wrong, you kind of seem like, you know, not that great because I'm not paying you until I receive the shoe. Well, I got told a size 7, and yeah, let's open these up. The reason why I feel like I got a little ripped off here is because this is a size 7, just a 7Y. Not a size 7 men's that I thought it was. Big difference in price on this shoe. I'm talking like $100+ difference on this shoe. Size 7 men's, size 7 grade school. For those of you that are looking to buy the shoe and actually wear it, it's the same thing, right? Usually the men's size would be more because it retails for more compared to the grade school. And not only that, it might look a little different. Usually, depending on the shoe, you know, the men's version might look a little different than the grade school. So if you're a size 7, you can go either way. It's the same shoe. It's going to fit you either way. Well, he told me size 7. I was thinking and going into it, and at the price point of $190 shipped, I was going into it thinking it was a size 7. 7 men's, that is. He told me he had a bill to pay. He needed the money ASAP. Well, the shoes are here. It's been only 2 days, so it hasn't been long at all. They're here, and yeah, I was expecting a 7 men's, not a 7Y. Big L, big L. I'm going to give him the full $190. I'm going to give him the full $190, but I'm not happy because this is going to be a loss for me. I'm instantly going to lose money on these because of the sizing difference. Grade school versus men's size 7. Let's open them up and make sure that they are real. I do see, I believe that's an eBay sticker on the box, which is a good sign. And yeah, they definitely came from eBay. They do have the eBay authentication tag on them. So he bought them from eBay. I wonder what he paid. Not sure, but yeah, they do look clean. Yeah, these are dead stock. Yeah, lace bags here. Everything seems good. They look real. They do have the eBay authentication, which is definitely a good sign still attached. So that's a great sign. Yeah. What sucks about these is the price difference, and I'm going to put up pictures on screen. You guys can see the pricing difference between a 7 men's and a 7 grade school in this sneaker. It's like over $100 price difference. Yeah, that sucks big time. Big time. Damn. Alright, so I'm going to go pay him the $190. Make sure that these look good off camera. Pay him the $190. And yeah, make sure. Because I got to get rid of these. This is an L. I do feel like I got ripped off a little bit because he said size 7. He didn't say 7Y. I should have asked. I was thinking it was a men's size. When I went out to look at Market, I was looking at Market on StockX, GOAT, and I was going straight to the men's size 7. I was not expecting a grade school 7 here. Not for 190. Not for 190. Market's way less than 190 on a grade school. I was definitely expecting a men's. This definitely sucks. I was gonna buy them, quick flip them real quick. Honestly, probably give them to one of you guys watching the channel. Make maybe 20 bucks on it, nothing crazy, and pass it and move on. Just because I wanted to help him out. He is a subscriber, he's a follower, he supports me and everything. So I want to help him out, right? Let him pay his bill, take care of what he had to. And hey, maybe I can make 10, 20 bucks on it and give one of you guys a good deal at the same time. It's a win-win for everybody for me doing that. And I like to do that to show you guys, hey, you know, I'm here. You know, I'm real. If you guys need money for quick things, listen, I get it. I'm not gonna take advantage of you. I'm not gonna do anything crazy. I just ask that you do GUA and you send me what we agree on. That's it. That's my only terms and conditions. That's it. Take care of what you gotta take care of. And I get it. You know, life is expensive. Things happen. I get it. So, it does suck. It definitely sucks. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. This is an L automatically because I know I'm not going to be able to sell these for 190 to even get my money back. Yeah, that sucks. I'm going to go pay him the 190. As soon as I'm done recording, I'm going to pay him the 190. And if anybody wants these, Royal Toes, brand new size 7Y. 7Y. Base bag still attached. You got the eBay authentication on there and they're brand new. So, yeah, not even tried on. They're completely brand new. There's nothing on there on that insole. So, if anybody would like these, shoot me a DM on Instagram. I'm going to lose money on it. I know it. It is what it is. Hey, you live and you learn. Next time, I know, ask for pictures, first of all. And second of all, confirm the size. That was an L on my behalf. That was an L on my behalf. I'll say that. You know, I am going to take fault a little bit for this. A little bit of his fault, too. He could have told me it was a 7Y and not a 7. When I go in thinking it's a 7, I'm thinking it's a men's size 7. Not a grade school, right? I'm an adult. I don't wear grade school shoes. So I'm going into it thinking it's a 7 men. Never a 7Y, never a grade school. That's just what my mind goes to because of my size, right? I'm a 10.5, 11 men's. I'm not a 10.5 or an 11 grade school. You see what I'm saying? So that's just what my mind went into it. Yeah, it does suck. I do feel like I got ripped off, but it is what it is. You live and you learn. So here's my plan with these. Sell them and just move on. I'm going to take a little loss on it, a decent loss. It is what it is. Take the money, put it back into another shoe, and move on. It is what it is. I'm not going to go argue with him. I'm not even going to message him about it, make it a big deal or anything. It is what it is. That's it. Just move on. But this sucks. I feel like this was definitely a rip-off. I feel like I got ripped off here, but it is what it is. You live and you learn. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you guys hit that thumbs up for me. And make sure you guys subscribe because I am giving away a pair of UNC Toe Air Jordan 1s. And you guys do not want to miss out on this free sneaker giveaway. Like this video, hit that subscribe button down below, leave a comment, let me know your size, and then DM me proof on Instagram. Take a picture, take a screenshot, send me proof on Instagram. DannyMoore2369. Send me proof that you guys subscribed. Make sure you guys also check out Outrank brand. They drop fire clothing for every sneaker that drops. So if you're looking for clothes to match your shoes and be fresh and feel comfortable, great quality, and very affordable, I must say, especially when you use my promo code down below in the description. Make sure you guys check out Outrank Brand, the best t-shirts to match your shoes. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.